Wetlands, rivers, mangroves, peatlands, lakes, deltas, mudflats. We cannot survive without them, yet most people barely notice them. Some call them wastelands, worthless. But wetlands are our life support systems. They store, supply, and filter water, feed billions, protect communities from floods and droughts, store vast amounts of carbon, shelter extraordinary life, and they sustain us all. Yet, they are disappearing. Since 1970, the world has lost more than 1/5 of its wetland, and with them, biodiversity, resilience, and security. This is no longer only an environmental crisis. It is a human one, because we cannot solve the climate crisis, the water crisis, or the biodiversity crisis without healthy wetlands. The coming decade will decide what future is still possible. A sustainable, livable future requires transformative change. Not small steps, but systemic change. A different relationship with nature, new alliances, new economies, new ways of working together. From local communities to global finance, from science to action, from landscapes to policy. From now on, everything we do must help trigger transformative change. Together with communities, governments, companies, and partners across the world, we are working to restore wetlands for people, nature, and climate. Because if wetlands thrive, communities thrive, economies thrive, life thrives. Wetlands for life.